Hello everyone. Cut. Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about continue and break keyword. Okay. First, I'll include the header file. Hash include stdio.h main function. I'll get the input value called n from the user. Scanf %d, ampersand n. Okay, so I'll give int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. I'm taking a for loop and I'm iterating from 1 to n. I'm printing my value. I value I'm just trying to print. I'll give a space after printing the value. Then I'll give return 0. Fine. So when I execute this code, it will print the value from 1 to 5 because I'm giving the input value as 5. So here I'm going to give a condition. So if I is equal to 3, don't print, continue the iteration. So continue is a keyword. So when I'm giving continue keyword, if this condition is true, it continues the next iteration. It will not execute the below statement whatever given inside the looping body. So let me explain the execution in a step-by-step order. Let's assume the input value n is 5. So execution starts from 1. 1 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I'll go here. Check if I equal to 3. 1 equal to 3. No. So I'll go here. I'll print my I value as 1. Then I'll go to the next iteration. I value becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. Yes. I'll go here. Check the condition. 2 equal to 3. No. So I'll go here. I'll print my I value as 2. Then I'll go for next iteration. I value is 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. Yes. Condition is true. I'll go here. Check the condition. I equal to 3. Yes. 3 is equal to 3. Condition is true. If the condition is true, I'll go inside the if statement. In the if statement, what I have given? Continue keyword. So it will not go for the remaining execution of the looping body. It continues the next iteration. So it will not print the I value 3. It goes to the next iteration. I value is 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I'll go here. 4 equal to 3. No, I'll print my I value as 4. Next iteration. I value becomes 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I'll go here. 5 equal to 3. No. So I'll print my next I value as 5. Then I'll go to next iteration. I value becomes 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. No. Condition is not true. I'll come out of the for loop. This is the use of the continue keyword. Now let's go for the break keyword. Okay. So I'll take the same program. I'll give break. Instead of continue keyword, I'll give break. So whenever we are going for break keyword, it will stop the iteration and it comes out of the looping body. But whereas in the continue, it goes for the next iteration. Whereas the break keyword, it terminates the looping body. It terminates the body of the loop where we are. So here I'll give my n value as 5. I value is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I'll go here. 1 equal to 3. No. So I'll print my I value as 1. Then I'll go to next iteration. I value becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I'll go here. 2 equal to 3. No, condition is not true. So I'll print my I value as 2. Then I'll go to next iteration. I value becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. Yes, condition is true. I'll go here. Check the if condition. 3 equal to 3. Yes, if condition is also true. If the condition is true, I'll go inside the if statement. So here I have given the keyword called break. So what is the use of the break keyword? It helps to come out of the looping body. So here I'll come out of the looping body. That's all. So the output will be 1 and 2. That's all. Let's run the code and check. I'll give n value as 5. See, I've got only 1 and 2 because when the value of I is equal to 3, I have to break the loop. So continue keyword will go for the next iteration and the break keyword helps us to come out of the looping body. So here we have to know the difference between break, return and exit. So break keyword helps us to come out of a looping body, whereas a return keyword, so I have given a keyword called return, right? It helps to come out of the function. In functions, it will be dealing it in detail. So return keyword helps us to come out of the function. Whatever the function you are inside, it comes out of the complete function. Exit, it stops the program abruptly. So wherever you are, whatever be the execution, it stops the code, it terminates the program. So break keyword helps us to come out of a looping body, return keyword helps us to come out of the function, and exit, it terminates the program. So here break can be used in two places, one in switch statement, another in looping body, but continue can be used only in the looping body. You cannot use continue keyword in the switch cases. Yeah, and one more thing you have to know. So whenever you are giving break keyword in a nested for loop, it breaks only the inner for loop, not the outer for loop. For example, int j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to n j plus plus. So here I am trying to print the value of I and j. Okay, here I am trying to print the value of I and j. So in this case, if I give me n value as 3, let's check. I am giving me n value as 3. See, okay, I'll give a new line so that I can get to know it clearly. I'll give me n value as 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. So here I'm going to give a condition saying that when the value of I and j are equal, when value of I and j are equal, stop the loop, break the loop. I'm going to give a condition. So here, if I equal to j, break the loop, else print the value. So here, when the value of I and j are equal, I'll break. So I'll start the execution here. See here, I'll give my I value is equal to 1. 1 less than or equal to 3 I'll give. N value is 3. Condition is true. I'll go here. J value is 1. 1 less than or equal to 3, yes, condition is true. So I value is also 1. J value is also 1. Condition is true. If the condition is true, what happen? I'll break the loop. So when I give break keyword in nested for loop, it stops this loop alone. It comes out of this loop alone. So it goes to the next iteration. I value becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 3, yes, condition is true. So I'll go inside the for loop of j. So I value is 2 and j value is 1. 1 less than or equal to 3, condition is true. I'll go here. I value 2, j value 1, not equal. So I'll print the value of I and j. So 2 and 1 will be printed. I'll go to the next iteration. I value becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 3, yes, condition is true. I'll go here. Check I and j are equal. I is also 2, j is also 2, condition is true. I'll break. So when I give break, it comes out of the inner for loop. Then I'll go to the next I value. I value becomes 3. So again j starts from 1 onwards. 1 less than or equal to 3, yes, condition is true. Check I and j are equal. 3, 1, no, it is not equal. So I'll print the value of I and j. So 3 and 1 will be printed. Then I'll go to the next j value. J value becomes 2. 2 less than or equal to 3, yes, condition is true. I'll go here, check I and j. I value is 3, j value is 2. Both are not equal. So I'll go to else case. I'll print 3 and 2. Then I'll go to the next iteration. J value becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 3. Condition is true. I'll go here. Check I and j. I value is also 3. J value is also 3. Both are equal. If it is equal, what should I do? I have to break the loop. So I'll go to the next iteration. I value becomes 4. 4 less than or equal to 3. Condition becomes false. I'll come out of the looping body. That's all. So 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2 is the output. Let's execute the code and check. See, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2. That's all.